Taking out the trash sounds like a simple household chore, but it can be surprisingly easy to forget when you're busy with work, school, family, or other daily responsibilities. Sometimes, the trash can simply becomes part of the background. One reason you may forget is that taking out the trash usually isn't connected to a specific routine. Without a clear reminder, your brain can easily focus on other tasks that seem more important at the moment. Another reason is that the trash may not look urgent at first. When there is still some space left in the bin, it's easy to think you can take it out later and then completely forget about it. The good news is that forgetting the trash doesn't necessarily mean you're lazy or disorganized. A simple routine can make this small chore much easier to remember and complete consistently. In this video, we'll look at some common reasons people forget to take out the trash and explore simple ways to make this everyday chore a natural part of your household routine. One of the biggest reasons people forget to take out the trash is simply not having a specific routine for it. When the task has no regular time or trigger, it's easy to keep thinking you'll handle it later. Unlike brushing your teeth or eating meals, taking out the trash often doesn't happen at a naturally fixed time every day. Because of this, the chore can easily disappear from your attention while you're busy with other things. Having a simple trigger can make the task much easier to remember. For example, you might decide to take the trash out after dinner, after cleaning the kitchen, or whenever you leave the house for the day. Once the same action is repeated regularly, it can become a natural part of your household routine. Instead of waiting until you suddenly remember the trash, you already know when it should be taken outside. The goal isn't to create a complicated cleaning schedule, but simply to give this small chore a predictable place in your day. A consistent routine can make taking out the trash easier to remember and less likely to be postponed. Another reason you may forget to take out the trash is that you wait until the bin is completely full before thinking about it. When there is still a little space left, the chore can feel like something that can safely be postponed. As more trash gets added throughout the day, the bin can slowly become overloaded without you noticing. What started as a small amount of waste can quickly turn into a full bag that needs to be handled immediately. Waiting until the last possible moment can also make the chore more inconvenient. A completely full bag may be heavier, harder to tie, or more difficult to carry without accidentally spilling some of its contents. A better approach is to avoid treating the overflowing bin as the only signal that it's time to take the trash out. If the bag is getting close to full or the next collection time is approaching, you can make it part of your normal routine. Taking the trash out before the bin becomes completely full can make the chore feel quicker and easier. More importantly, it removes the need to wait for an overflowing bin to remind you that the task needs to be done. When the trash can is hidden inside a cabinet, tucked behind a counter, or placed somewhere you rarely look, it can be easy to forget that it needs attention. If you don't regularly see it, the chore may simply disappear from your mind. Out of sight can easily become out of mind, especially when you're already focused on other household tasks. You might clean the counters, wash the dishes, and organize the kitchen without remembering to check the hidden trash. This can become even easier to overlook when the trash bin is placed far from the areas where waste is usually created. If you have to walk across the room just to check it, you may be less likely to notice when it needs attention. Keeping the trash area easy to access can make checking and removing the bag feel more natural. You don't necessarily need to leave the bin completely visible, but it should be convenient enough that you remember to check it regularly. A simple change in where you keep the trash can can make the chore easier to remember. When the bin is easy to notice and reach, you're more likely to recognize when it needs to be emptied instead of forgetting about it. Sometimes you forget the trash simply because other tasks feel more important at the moment. Work, cooking, cleaning, or family responsibilities can easily push a small chore to the side. When several things need your attention at once, your brain naturally tends to focus on the tasks that seem more urgent. Taking out the trash may feel less important, even when it still needs to be done. Small chores are especially easy to overlook because they usually don't seem urgent until they become a bigger problem. This can cause you to repeatedly postpone the trash while dealing with other responsibilities. One simple solution is to include the trash in the same routine as another important household task. For example, you can take it out after dinner or when you finish cleaning the kitchen. By connecting the chore to something you already do regularly, taking out the trash becomes easier to remember. It becomes part of the routine instead of another task you have to keep remembering. Another reason you may forget the trash is that nothing reminds you when it needs to be taken out. Without a clear signal, the chore can easily slip your mind during a busy day. A simple trigger can make the task much easier to remember. You could connect taking out the trash to finishing dinner, cleaning the kitchen, or leaving the house for work. You can also use a simple reminder on your phone or include trash removal on your regular cleaning checklist. Having something that prompts you can prevent the chore from being forgotten completely. The best reminder is one that naturally fits into something you already do every day. When the same action repeatedly follows the same trigger, taking out the trash can gradually becomes easier to remember. Once you find a trigger that works for your household, the chore becomes less dependent on memory alone. A simple reminder can turn taking out the trash into a predictable part of your everyday routine. Sometimes the reason you forget to take out the trash is simply because you keep telling yourself you'll do it later. When the bin still has some space, postponing the chore can feel harmless, especially when there are other things that seem more important. The problem is that later can easily turn into much later when other responsibilities continue taking your attention. Before you realize it, the trash is still sitting there and the simple chore has completely slipped your mind. Repeatedly postponing a small chore can also make it feel more difficult than it actually is. The longer you wait, the fuller the bin becomes, and the more inconvenient the task may seem when you finally decide to handle it. A simple way to break this habit is to handle the trash as soon as you notice it, whenever it's convenient to do so. Taking care of the task immediately prevents another delay from turning into another forgotten chore. The goal is to stop treating the trash as something you can always handle later. When you take care of it as soon as you notice it, the chore becomes quicker, easier, and much less likely to be forgotten. Another reason you may keep forgetting the trash is that it isn't included in your regular cleaning system. If you have routines for sweeping, washing dishes, or doing laundry, but never include trash removal, the chore can easily be overlooked. A cleaning system works better when small chores are given a regular place within it. Adding trash removal to your routine means you don't have to rely on suddenly remembering it when the bin becomes full. You can make the system as simple as you want. For example, you might take the trash out after cleaning the kitchen, before leaving for work, or on specific days when your household waste usually needs to be removed. Once trash removal becomes part of the same routine you already follow, it requires less mental effort. The task becomes something you naturally do instead of something you have to remember throughout the day. The goal is not to create a complicated schedule, but to give trash removal a predictable place in your day. When it becomes part of your cleaning system, you're much less likely to forget it. Forgetting to take out the trash is often less about laziness and more about not having a clear routine or reminder for the task. Small household chores can easily disappear when you're focused on everything else happening during the day. Creating a simple trigger, taking the trash out before the bin becomes too full, and connecting it to an existing cleaning habit can make the chore much easier to remember. The goal is to make it part of your routine rather than something you constantly have to think about. Once taking out the trash becomes a regular part of your household system, it can become almost automatic. A small, consistent habit can keep your home cleaner while removing one more chore from your mental to-do list.